but cool. So welcome to everyone who's here. Welcome. So can we call this New York live session? Yeah, we can. I think we can do that. The New York Open. How do you know it's a level 2? Well, if you go on the chart on your H1 time frame, if you've been following and been watching, and you've been watching my YouTube videos, you should now be able to tell that you now be able to tell that which level price is in and other levels. Like level 1, you can now tell when price is level 1, level 2, level 3. Are waiting for a move up to the 200 MA before we think about selling. Yeah, that could be a possibility. That could be a possibility. That could be a possibility. Should I close it and wait? Oh, you had entered a trade. I didn't know. I didn't call for any trade. I didn't even send any charts today because of this little consolidation, and because it's also a Monday. As you guys know, Mondays we do get such slow movement. I don't know what you should do with your open trade there, but I suggest that when you enter the trade, you know exactly how you're going to exit. And if I had called for it, I would have told you how you also would have exited that trade. And I don't know it unless you're willing to share a screen so that we can see the trade and not the trade, but the analysis that you took. Are you comfortable with that? So as you can see, guys, there is nothing much to talk about here on GU and GJ. Anyone wants to tell us about any pair that they're analyzing and show it to us here? You can share your screen and talk to us. Then we can have everyone here help you. Anyone? Come on, guys. Anyone? Don't tell me that you're not sticking to GU and GJ too. You must all have your own pairs, own favorite pairs that you trade that you're watching. I have one coffee. Yeah, that's great. Let me unshare. Let me stop sharing here so that you can share your screen. Great. Now let me do this. Share screen. I'm sure you can now share your screen. Copy. Can you unmute yourself?
Hello?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi, Kanam, how are you?
How is it?
Good, thanks. I'm actually in a trade in GCAD at the moment.
Okay.
So I'll just take you through my reasoning for taking the trade.
Okay.
And then we can have a chat and we can discuss if it was valid or not. I think it was a valid trade, but let's have a look. So if we go on the 1 hour chart, this is GCAD, 1 hour. We can see a peak forming here. Right, and then based on this peak, this should be level 1 here, because the 13 and 50 cross there. And then here we have 50 and 200 cross here, so this should be level 2. Okay, and then
Yeah.
So yeah, this is level 2. So when we're in level 2, we can, so we're going in a downtrend, we sell buyers, but in level 2, we can take buys and sells.
That's true.
Okay, so if I go down to the 15-minute, we see that this was the Asian session, and it came out of the Asian session and it formed a 50-50. a 50-50 trade, but the 200 was blocking it. So I waited for price to go above the 200 and I took the trade here. There's a bit of drawdown, but it's gone back above the 200 and it's trading above there. So I just wanted to know if this was a valid trade. Hello? Can you hear me?
I'm back. I'm sorry. I was taking a call. I'm back.
Okay, no problem. Sorry. Yep. So, yep, that was my analysis and that was my reason for taking the trade.
So I didn't get. So the black line indicates your entry, your point of entry.
Correct. Yes. So what I did was I waited for price to break above the 200 here, and then I took the trade there.
Perfect. Wow, what a perfect trade there. So
yeah.
How many pips are you targeting? What's your exit criteria?
So initially I put my take profit to just below the 800 EMA here. But then I thought I looked at this point here and I said, oh, there's a lot of resistance here. So I just moved it down to 20 pips.
20 pips, okay.
Okay. I moved it down to 20 pips and I got my stop loss. I had my stop loss just below the 50 EMA here.
Okay.
So that's where I'm currently at.
Okay. Wow, wonderful. That's a beautiful trade. I could have also taken that one too.
Or do you think it was valid?
Yeah, it was. It was super valid.
Okay.
Super valid.
Okay. Okay,
Super.
good. Thank you. So I guess, yeah, I'm just waiting for it to play out now.
Yeah. But you must be in profit right now, right?
So yes, at the moment I am in profit.
Okay. Okay, that's fine.
Yep.
Let's just wait and see what price does. It was a good trade.
Okay, thank you.
Let's wait for TP now. So
yep.
So you only analyzed this pair?
Say again?
You only did GCAD?
Yeah, I just did GCAD. That was the only one that I noticed.
I'm seeing Kieran here also wants to do Euro USD.
Yeah, sure, you can do it. I can stop my share.
Yeah.
Thanks, Panam.
Okay, you're welcome. Let's get it from Kieran now. Thank you, Kevi. Thank you, Kevi.
Can everyone see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I took a trade on Euro USD. Identified the level. So we've got the peak here. We've got level 1 and then level 2 here.
Oh.
So then drill down to the 15-minute after the Asian session close, and took a 50 trade for 30 pips.
Beautiful.
To down here.
For 30 pips already. Beautiful.
Yeah. This. Do you think this was a valid trade? I'm assuming, Konam.
Wonderful, beautiful. It was beautiful. It was a valid one. Very valid. I don't know if
yeah, I did have a question on a GU trade. I didn't take the GU trade, but I wanted your opinion on this trade here. Okay. on GU. So we're at a level 2, and after the Asian session, I noticed a double top forming, it bounced off the 50 EMA down here.
Yeah,
but then
I was watching the same thing too.
But then I wasn't sure, because 50 means it has to go halfway to the Asian session range, but it didn't quite do that. So I didn't take the trade. I took the trade, but then I closed it afterwards in profit because I wasn't sure if it was a valid trade to take. So the question that I essentially have for a 50-50-50 to work, how close does it need to be halfway in the Asian range?
Maybe less than two. Let's say 2 pips.
Okay.
From backtesting, I think I can say 2 pips.
Okay.
I think you can tell with the Friday. Can you just look at Friday? Can you look at Friday?
Friday's GU, yeah.
Yeah, that one, that Asian. Can you see that the price did not exactly get up to the 50?
Yeah.
As you can see. So I think with that distance, the distance has to be reasonable for we.
Okay.
Exactly. So I think, but then when it's like extremely like very far from the middle point, we cannot call that the the 50-50 trade.
Okay.
And the 50-50 London, the 50-50 trade has to occur during London session, as it is called
a London trade.
London trade tab 3.
Yeah.
3.
And I also took a trade on Euro JPY as well.
Okay.
So this was a peak, and then we had a level 1, and then identify a peak, and then a level 1 here.
Yeah.
Right. So then I drilled down to the 15-minute, and then after the Asian session closed, I saw a double top, and then a nice bounce off the 200 EMA.
Yeah. We can negotiate.
Sorry.
Yeah, we can call it that, because on different brokers, I'm sure there must be a peak. There must be a week that was recorded on different brokers.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I entered this trade based on I think it was a type 2 London trade.
Exactly.
It's a double top to the top. The question that I wanted to ask you was that,
where was the entry?
I took the so the entry was taken.
Can you mark the entry so that others
entry was taken up here. So I waited for a pullback and then I took the trade.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, but what I wanted to ask you was that I took the trade purely based on the fact that it crossed the closed below the 13 EMA, and then there was I took the trade there. Could I have taken the trade any earlier up here somewhere, Kunam?
No,
up here somewhere?
No, that was actually the best trade. That was actually the best trade that you would have taken on the 15-minute time frame. If you would have wanted it to be a bit higher, maybe dropping down to the 5 minutes time frame would have made you do so. But then for 50, I'm sure you got your 30 pips there.
Yeah, I got my 30 pips. Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. So your job was actually done. You did well. That was beautiful.
Yeah, it was good. Me and Kavi discussed both. We discussed all the trades that we took today, so it was good. Yeah. Okay, I think those are the trades that me and Kavi both took today. So EJ, and then EU, and then GCAD we took today.
Great. Yeah. That's beautiful. Progress, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. That's me for the trades I've taken today. I don't know if anyone else has any trades that they would like to share.
Guys, can we have more people share their trades and what they took as we wait for more opportunity? What about the 200 and the, let me check the chart here. What about the 200 and the 800 EMA? Do we have to be wary about those units? What do you mean wary? What do you mean wary? What do you mean do we have to be wary?
So when he took the short on his last pair, what was it, Euro JPY, I think, or Euro USD? Sorry, Euro USD.
So the last pair was
the one Kiran took now.
Euro. It was Euro Yen.
Oh, Euro Yen, yes, the Euro Yen. You see, he took the trade below the 13 EMA, but below the 13 EMA was a 200 and an 800 EMA.
Okay.
Do we have to worry about those EMAs on the 15 minutes? Or do they normally just go right through them?
Okay, so we based on where we place a trade on basing on where the price is bouncing from. So basically, if price is bouncing from another EMA, then closing over another EMA. So clearly, we don't need to like place the trade, then close the screens or whatever. We now need to monitor and see how price will behave as it approaches that 800 EMA. If it just goes straight past, if it just passed through it, then close below it, in that case, we with a reasonable body size of the can with a reasonable candlestick body size, we know that this has been broken and it has been broken successfully, and all the EMAs would have been cleared. So we know that our TP is going to be reached, and we know that we're going to make money. And it has been broken, so it's nothing now. Maybe it reaches something when the price reaches it, but then as for being a resistance, it is no longer a resistance. It has been broken through. Being a support, it has been broken through. So
Okay, thank you. I get it.
okay. So guys, anyone to show their chart as we wait for a significant. Oh yeah, I think a significant move is about to happen now. Wow, 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 wow! It's about to happen. It's about to happen. I think I should be after the close of this candle. We need to see how price is going to react. But it's about to happen, as you all clearly can see. You can unmute your mic and speak and ask the question. Oh, sent a message there. I cannot access the chat box now. You can unmute and speak. Okay. Rodina, you can unmute yourself and speak. Pin the three methods. Three methods pattern in the Telegram. Well, I'll see if I remember to do that. But then everything is on my YouTube. Everything is on my YouTube, guys. I think it's wrong. How do I do it? Everything is right here. Everything. It must be this video. Exactly. This video on level here. Come watch this videos on levels with dinner to get the answer. On levels, no. I think I did a separate video. It must be the trade setups with examples. Yeah, that's the one. Trade setups and examples. That's the one that you should come and watch. So right now, right now, this is what you're seeing. If this candle, there's this new candle, that's 2 o'clock. Oh, according to my time, it's 2 o'clock. This candle here, if it closes right out of this box, I think we can sell. We can call the sell. If it closes below, I think we could do that. As you can see for this one, this low was broken. So guys, if we no longer have any questions, I'm going to end this session, then post the signal in the Telegram chat. So stay aware. Stay aware. For those, whoa, price. Okay, catch you on Telegram.